Today, we're going to learn how to draw a flower. When drawing anything, it's best to mark out basic shapes for your picture before you begin to add more detail. Use a pencil for this, and then use a pen to draw out the final line work. To start, begin by drawing a small circle that will be the centre of our flower. Around the circle, draw 5 petal shapes going around. It doesn't matter if they're different sizes. Then, draw a line coming down our flower, which will form the stem. At the bottom of this, we're going to draw an upwards curve coming out and then rejoining back to the stem. Repeat this on the other side. Now it's time to switch to our pen. Begin by drawing around our circle. Moving on to the petals, follow our sketch marks, but then at the top, draw a slight dipped shape that will rejoin onto your sketched line. Do this for each individual petal, drawing up, a slight dip, and then back down to our circle. Next, draw a black outline over the leaves. For extra detail, mark a line in our leaves. Then, we're going to follow our stem by drawing along either side of a pencil outline. To finish off the flower, you can add in some small lines coming out of the circle to show the creases of the petals. Wait for the pen to dry, and you can rub out your pencil markings. Now that's how you draw a flower.